Want to download Proton VPN on your PC? Be careful, there are fake download websites that imitate legitimate software pages and could put your device or personal information at risk. Here's the safest way to install Proton VPN. So the first thing is just simply go to the official website, which is just protonvpn.com. And then once you're in protonvpn.com, what you want to do from here is just simply go to download right here. And then from here, just simply choose your OS. So you can download this for Windows, Mac, Linux, Chromebook, Android, or for your iPhone or iPad. Also as a extension for your web browsers and also for your smart TVs. So currently I'm using Windows, so I'll just use Windows. Afterwards, just simply click download for Windows and then make sure to choose between if you're using x64 or ARM64. You can simply just check that via your Windows settings. So for me, I'm using x64 and then just simply wait for the download to finish. And then once it's done, just simply open up the installer. First is select your language. For me, I'll just choose English. Click on next. And then after that, you can see that you can also install other Proton apps like Proton Mail, Proton Drive, or Proton Pass. If you don't want to install these apps, just simply untick the box. I will untick mine. And then once you're ready, just simply click on install. Once it's done, Proton VPN will automatically open, so just simply sign in if you have an account or create an account if you don't have one. So for me, I'll just simply sign in. Once you're done, just simply click on sign in and then just wait for the sign in to finish. Then after signing in, you can now use Proton VPN. Yeah, so that's pretty much it on how to install Proton VPN safely on your PC. So just remember, always download directly from Proton's official website and avoid unofficial download pages. A few seconds spent verifying the source can help keep your device and personal data secure. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.